Welcome to the farm. Can you guess what kind of eggs these are? That's right, they're duck eggs. And look who hatched. Oh no, it's raining, but it's a perfect day for planting trees. The first thing to do is dig a hole about 12 inches deep and 12 inches wide. Loosen the dirt up so there's no big clumps. Some trees come wrapped up in plastic and some trees get wrapped up in paper. We don't plant trees when it's windy or sunny, or else the roots might dry out. Don't unwrap your tree until you're ready to plant it. If the roots dry out before you plant it, the tree will be dead. One person should hold the tree in the right spot while the other person puts the dirt in. Found out later that you should put the grass back on upside down. Two trees are very thirsty, so give each tree a few gallons of water. Gently stamp the soil around your tree so there are no air pockets. For the first 2 months, you'll have to water your trees once or twice a week. Don't water your trees if the soil is still wet. Poke your finger in and see if it is wet. You can also mulch your tree with old leaves or straw or wood chips so it doesn't dry out. You can add 2 shovels of compost or manure around each tree. Put it around the tree in a donut shape so the manure doesn't touch the trunk. Chicken manure and goat manure you can use right away, but cow manure you have to wait a year then use it. If your trees are small like ours, you can paint sticks red for markers. Put a stake next to the tree if you want it to grow straight. In the fall, put a plastic spiral around the tree so hungry mice don't get into it. Wait a couple years and then you get apples, blueberries,
nuts, and raspberries.